today.
And tomorrow looks good too with Violet's birthday on tap. Sorry about that. I'm still blushing.
Now, how old is Violet?
That was embarrassing.
How old is Violet going to be?
She's going to be 9.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Happy birthday.
That was very
Violet.
embarrassing. I apologize,
That's
everybody.
sweet.
I'll tell you what, we have a great day coming tomorrow. At least the start of the day should be fine. End of the day, thunderstorms, which is very appropriate for Violet, actually. Increasing clouds expected through the morning. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s for the afternoon with scattered rain and rumbles. I don't say that to be mean. If you've been following along for the last 20 years of my career here and happened to get the updated chapter on Violet, you happen to know that her nickname is Hot Mess. And we're still on track, friends. That was a very good nickname for her. So the thunderstorms are just kind of like part of her vibe. She's got a lot going on. Temperatures are still very warm outside. We are in the 50s, even the 60s in most areas, but Dover, tropical Dover, not so tropical tonight. 48 degrees right now. You're the cool spot, actually. Clear skies abound for much of the area, although we've been watching high, thin clouds coming at us from the west. We will continue to see clouds coming at us from the south, and not to be outdone, we will also see a few high, thin clouds coming at us from the east. Most of those should be over toward the state line area. But it's these two western systems that will basically spell out rain for Tuesday, rain for Wednesday, and it's going to kind of solidify that rain chance for us for a pretty good period here. That East Coast storm is going to get pushed by the cold front as it sweeps into the area, and the front, being the front of the colder air, will really spell the difference between the very warm, mild air that we have now and the cooler air that's on the other side and expected by the middle of the week. The next 48 hours, you can watch how that cold front slides our way. It's going to push the East Coast storm system off to New England, so we don't even have to worry about that. But you can also see a few rogue showers start to pop up in the morning. We'll have more and more rain chances for the afternoon and the evening. So if you have afternoon or evening plans tomorrow, keep that in mind. Just about the time those rain chances back off Tuesday night, they will fill back in by Wednesday morning, especially for areas east of 71. Remember, 71 basically connects Cleveland, Columbus, and Cincinnati, and this rain line is basically right on 71, which runs along a ridge for a good part of the area. So west of there, we have dry conditions. South and east, lots of rain, just very persistent rain expected for much of the day on Wednesday. Wednesday night, it all moves out, but here's the thing. We've had cooler air that's going to be moving in through the day Wednesday, and that means a cool Thursday, too. National Design Mar hour-by-hour forecast for the night shows those increasing clouds. Temperatures holding steady, maybe even coming up a couple clicks by the time day breaks tomorrow morning. We will have a breezy start to the day, wind gusts over 20 miles per hour possible. Pop-up showers are a possibility for the start of the day, but it does look like those will start to wane somewhat midday before another round pushes in for Tuesday afternoon. Now, this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Kids are just getting out of school. Temperatures in the upper 60s to right around 70. I'm a mom. This is when I push the kids out the door. Go play outside and enjoy. But watch what happens over the next hour or two. We really start to see storms firing. So if the kids are playing outside, make sure you keep an ear out, keep an eye out to the sky, because we will be keeping an eye out for the showers and thunderstorms to pop up late afternoon. How much rain is going to be coming? Remember, this is a long period, Tuesday and Wednesday rain, but we're talking about the possibility of an inch plus of rain, especially for our southern and our eastern counties. So keep an eye on that. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. After that 70 tomorrow, it's back to the kind of grind of where we are with clouds and 40s and 50s. Although we'll get some sunshine in here on Thursday. This Saturday, not looking too great for us as far as the weather goes. We get a little bump because of the time change, but as far as rain, it looks like we are going to have plenty of it this weekend.